Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just doing a update here on Alternate Systems Incorporated, ticker ALYI. This is one of my favorite EV penny stocks. They're into a couple different things. Revolt token. I've done quite a few videos about them, about the Revolt token. And their motorcycles. I just think it's kind of an interesting company, and it's a penny stock, and seems like every time I talk about it, it seems to go up. I'm not patting myself on the back, but it has been going up here lately. I see it hit a 10 cent on March 19th, and has kind of came down since then. Here's kind of what it's done over the last week, trading kind of flat, and here's what it's doing today. So could have got some there at 7 cents, and looks like it might be on its way back up. But Alternate Systems builds an electric mobility ecosystem. The company develops and manufactures electric motorcycle. Alternate Systems serves customers in the United States. And I'll go ahead and link my other videos in there, description, so you can watch those as well and get a little bit more in depth on the company. But they're expanding the EV ecosystem into new markets and regions, and as you see, this is just dated last week on the 8th. The new agreement represents an electric vehicle deployment sector expansion beyond the current rideshare entry point. It also brings a geographic expansion opportunity beyond the current East African concentration. The multi-tiered deal includes a new strategic investment into ALYI with a structure that management views as a excuse me, sorry about that, allergies, as a confirmation of ALYI's current value potential. Sorry about that. The investment structure also introduces an opportunity substantially contribute to ALYI's balance sheet over the next year. And as I went over in my other video, part of the raising is with the token, and so you have to go ahead and look at those videos as well. They're pretty interesting. Details regarding the deals are intended to be disclosed in subsequent events, pending 2020 annual report, and kind of goes over the new agreement for the corresponding expansion of the electric vehicle ecosystem announced today, the first in a pipeline of new opportunities management, and generated by recent publishing of a video demonstrating the company's first electric motorcycle, intended to highlight ALYI's overall electric vehicle ecosystem business plan. You can learn more about overall at the electric vehicle ecosystem strategy and find out how to participate in the purchase of the cryptocurrency Revolt token on the revolttoken.com. We can click here and see if the video will work right quick. I believe it's the same video that I showed on the last video that I made, and there isn't any talking on the videos, it's just music, but it is kind of a interesting looking motorcycle. I think it'd be kind of fun. The other videos that I've made kind of has a older BMW motorcycle looking on the website, which they're kind of taking that look, feel, the style of it. So if you look at their website, it looks pretty similar to what you have here. So just a quick video. Looks kind of like an interesting, I think it'd be fun to have one. And this is just dated here today to highlight new $1 million investment expanding EV ecosystem and management update next week. And they've been doing some work in Dallas. Today announced a management update to be released next week on Tuesday, April 20th. So if you like this stock, follow this particular company, you might want to put that on your radar. Following the publication of the company's annual report coming later this week. The update will cover the latest progress in the company's electric vehicle ecosystem and include an excerpt from ALYI Finance partner Revolt token on the latest progress with the ongoing rollout of the cryptocurrency Revolt tokens. So a lot coming up here with this particular company. Between the motorcycles, the expansion, they're working in Dallas, like I said, and with the Revolt token, the cryptocurrency part of it. So, again, April 20th, I would put that on your calendar. And again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just bringing some updates to you, as I've done a couple videos on this one already. So, also brings a geographic expansion opportunity beyond ALYI's current East African concentration. The multi-tiered deal includes a new $1 million strategic investment into ALYI with a structure and management views as confirmation of ALYI's current value potential. And again, there's the another video. Again, you can check out the Revolt token here, kind of some of the same information. Over here to Reddit, see if there's any new juicy details. This looks like it's all a month ago, 20 days ago. So some of these, you can look at it as getting in on the ground floor opportunity. I mean, you can get quite a few shares for 10 or 20 bucks. That's sometimes how I do it. I don't buy tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of shares on some of these until I kind of see how they perform, and then dollar cost average into them at a later time. But some people do it that way, and if that's your prerogative, go for it. I'm not going to steer you otherwise, because I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing with it and being optimistic about some of these. But there's not a whole lot of EV motorcycle companies out there, so I thought this one was pretty interesting, besides the other things that they're getting into. So but that's all that I have on this particular one. I'm in this one for the long term for a while and see how it goes. I feel it should come up over the summer once they start expanding and get into the Revolt token, and next week should be a difference in the stock price. We'll see what that does for it, but currently it's at 0.072% or 0.072 cents. And if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I know this has been a popular one on the other videos that I've made, so if you have this one, leave it in the comments what your cost basis is, and if you have any further information on this one, and if you're long on it or short, and any other information on this one would be interesting to know. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and get the videos out to other people, and break that YouTube algorithm, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.